Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Latifatul Khairiyah. I am from Ahwal Asyasiyah Study Program, Nahdlatul Ulama University Surakarta. Hello everyone. Here I want to review a journal with a title Traditional Theory in Qawaid Fiqhiyah and its application in Islamic family law. Number 1. What it is about. One of the major fiqhiyah rules that has a broad scope of discussion branch is al-'adah muhakkamah. This rule is built on the basis of adat and local wisdom that exists in every community, where this custom is continuously carried out by the community without any denial of them. In fact, individuals who violate this custom will be considered as foreigners. Therefore, Islam makes the custom of the community as a legal basis as long as fulfills the requirements set by the Sharia. This journal aims to examine the rules of fiqhiyah al-'adah muhakkamah in general and its implementation in the field of the Islamic family. Number 2. What do you think about? Islam is the religion of Rahmatan lil Alamin that is also always bring love and peace to the universe and goodness of human life. Islamic law, which in the context is Maqasid Sharia, is a good that Allah has sent down to human with the aim of benefiting as well as a solution to various life problems experienced by humans in this world. A. Explanation of the rules of al-'adah muhakkamah. In the main fiqhiyah rules, it is that it means local wisdom or custom can be a benchmark or legal reference. Etymologically, al-'adah is linguistically two root word of al-'ada ya'udu wa huwa al-'aud, which means a habit of something and is continuously done so that it becomes a characteristic. B. Terms of application of 'adah al-muhakkamah. The above rule is very universal, meaning that it can be included in all chapters of fiqh, especially in mu'amalah. However, not all local wisdom can be recognized based on the above rules, but there are conditions that must be fulfilled so that the 'adah is valid according to the above rules, including it does not conflict with the stronger Sharia arguments. Because if the 'adah contradicts a stronger text, then the main reference for the law of the text is the 'adah is more often done upon, and the perpetrators of 'adah are the majority of the community, not a minority. Because if 'adah is more often abounded and the perpetrators are minorities, then it cannot be legal standard. The suitability of attitude and pronunciation for the performer of 'adah, so the performer of does not deny the tradition that is doing. If between the performer of 'adah and the tradition contradict what he says, then what is legal reference is his speech, not his saying. C. Rule position. That the above rules are included in a very large category because it has a very broad influence as a fiqh argument, especially related to local wisdom. Customary theory also offers a solution to Islamic law that is the elastic and relevant in every era. So, it is mentioned it is different rules. al-ahkamu al-mabaniyah al-a'rafu al-maswalihi az-zaman. It means change to the law based on the theory of adat and maslahat because of the changed times. D. Some example of the application of the rule of al-adah muhakamah on case in the field of the family law. The application of the rules of al-adah muhakamah can be seen in several examples in Islamic family law as follows. The standard size of the family income is based on the needs that apply according to the custom of the particular area. Number 3. Where do you find it? I find the journal from kemenang.go.id, Heri Mahfudi, Muhammad Khalis Ar-Rasyid IAI and Salatiga Lex-Tusher. Number 4. Summarize what the writer says. The rules of fiqhiyah al-adah muhakamah are commonly referred to as adat theory are very important rules in understanding Islamic law. Moreover, these are large rules with sub-branches of fiqhiyah rules within. This of course becomes very important to be used and a guideline for consideration in determining Islamic law by mujtahid in of legal problems that are always developing following the flow of globalization and modernization. In its implementation, the customary theory or the rules of al-adah muhakamah have certain conditions and rules that must be met, among which the most important is the absence of qatl orthodoxy, textual arguments that meet the requirement of argumentation as a proposition and must not contradict its substance with other fiqh rules of a higher position. The implementation of customary theory in Islamic family law is also very important to use, especially in some problems that cannot be found in the classical literature of the fuqaha. Among examples of the implementation of the rule of al-adah muhakamah in Islamic family law are related to the size of the living that must be given by the husband to his wife and children. Also related to the editorial talaq, which is not intended to divorce his wife. It includes provision Islamic law, but mahdoh and ghairu mahdoh. Okay, that's all I can say. More or less, sorry. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.